welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ellaa Mike, and so to the guys I'll be sharing with you guys. So to the guys we'll be sharing today is a remedy for belly fat. So you can get these ingredients at home or anywhere in the supermarket or anywhere in your market. So what are the things you need to get is an easy DIY home remedy, and you won't get it anywhere at home. So guys, if you're new to my channel and you're always tuning in all the time, I have not noticed, guys, you're always welcome. You're welcome. Thank you so much for it. And today guys, we'll be sharing health for you guys. So mostly my channel is based on health, skincare and lifestyle, but I'm mostly based on health and skincare for you guys for the meantime, because I know it will mean a lot to you guys. So I want to share what I know I want you guys to do as well. It's going to be a very big thumb up for you guys. So if you're always sharing this to your friends as well, thank you so much. And if you're also using this, thank you as well. I really appreciate it, and I want to say a big thank you. So guys, I want to also lay this information to you guys, because I know I've not been always constant most of the time because I've been off and on, but I want to tell you guys that mostly I'll be posting now Sundays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and I want you guys to always stick with me. These are my posting days now, and I'll make sure I try my best, guys, to always post on these days. It's still your favorite convo girl, Ellaa Mike, and I promise these are the days I will post and I won't miss a day. I promise that. So guys, before we go straight into the video, guys, so I just want to lay one or two tips for you guys. Do you guys know how many calories you burn in a day, you make in a day for when you eat like junks that have fatty acids in, when you take veggies instead? Do you know? So guys, these videos I post most of the time, guys, is really going to help you, and I bet you every tip you learn here, guys, lay it down and summarize all the time, and you see, make it a good difference to you. Please, if you always come to my channel, please don't leave without subscribing. Please always subscribe. It makes a big increase for me. It makes a big difference for me, as well as it makes a big increasement for you. As it makes a big increasement for you, it makes a big increasement for me. Stick with me till the end of the video. Please don't leave halfway. Most of you always leave halfway. Please don't leave halfway. Stick with me till the end of the video. Share among your friends as well. Give it a thumb up if you like this, and I will always highlight you more on this day, Sundays, Wednesdays and Fridays, mostly on any video you want, because I've gotten suggestions and comments and feedbacks on what to post and what they want. So I'm going to highlight you more on that. So if you actually give me your comments, if you lay it down on the comment section, I'm gonna give you my own suggestion on that as well. You can also check the description box for more details.